homeschooling. Mantu.
Chapter 5.
Chapter 5.
Okay guys, welcome back to EIICHIRO Family Homeschooling with Kyrie Eiichiro Gautama. Now we're doing Unit 5. It's about revision and letter O. Okay, so we're going to play with the stickers over here. There are a lot of stickers with the page number on it. So page 27, we're going to use this sticker. Okay, what animal is this?
Sheep.
Sheep starts with letter.
Okay.
What? S. So which one is letter S? Huh? Letter S.
S this.
Yeah, but in front, right? The first letter is S. Which one? First letter is S. Not this one. Just this one. First letter is S. First letter is S, guys. First, number 1. Letter number 1 is S. Yeah. Sheep. So Kyrie is going to put stickers on the this one. Okay, which one do you want? What is that?
Pig.
Pig starts with letter
P.
P. Which one is P? Don't look at, just look at it. P.
P. This.
Okay. Pig.
Pig.
P-I-G.
P-I-G.
P-I-G. Pig. Okay. Pick the next animal.
Cow.
Cow. Cow starts with? Cow starts with?
H.
C.
C.
Cow. C. Cow. Next animal.
Horse.
Horse starts with? H.
H.
H. Horse. Next animal.
Duck.
Starts with?
Q.
Shut. D for duck. The duck.
D.
So the last one is hen. Sheep starts with? Pig starts with? P.
P.
Pig. Can you say? Pig. Come on. Pig.
No, pig.
Cow. Cow. Horse.
No.
Horse. Duck. Hen. What is this? What letter is this, guy?
N.
What letter is this?
N.
What letter is this?
S. Pig. Cow.
No, I just asked the first letter. C.
C.
C. So?
H. D. H.
P-I-G. Pig.
P-I-G.
Pig.
Pig.
C-O-W.
C-O-W.
Cow.
Cow.
H-E-N.
H-E-N. Hen.
Mantap.
D.
D-U-C-K.
G-U-C-K.
Duck.
Duck.
H-O-R-S-E.
E.
H-O. H-O.
H-O.
R-S-E.
R-S-E.
Horse. S-H.
S-H.
E-E-P.
E-E-P.
Sheep.
Sheep.
Meh.
Bat.
Meh.
Bat.
Meh.
Bat.
Meh.
Bat.
Okay, next page. We're gonna learn about fat and thin. Which animal is fat? Which animal is thin? Tell me.
This ten.
This thin, this one?
Fat.
Fat starts with letter?
A.
Huh?
A.
Fat.
Fat.
What letter is this?
F.
Fat. Which one is fat? I don't think we need this guy. We just use stick.
Did you hear?
Yeah, fat animal. Then thin animal. Thin starts with letter?
F.
No. T.
D.
Thin.
Thin.
T-H-I-N. Thin.
T-I-R.
T-H-I-N.
T.
H-I-N.
H-I-N.
Thin.
Thin.
F-A-T.
F-A-T.
Fat.
Fat.
Okay, look at this animal. We're naming the animal, so you pick the animal.
This one, this one, this one, this one, this one.
Yeah, pick one. Which animal do you want first? What is that? Huh?
Giraffe.
Giraffe starts with
With
letter?
A.
No, G.
G.
G. G. G. G. G. G. Giraffe.
A.
Which
So
one is?
many A.
Yeah. What is a giraffe? G. G. G.
Many G.
But the first one, right? The first one. The first one, G.
One.
Pick the next animal.
This.
What is that?
Tiger.
Tiger starts with letter
Letter
C.
C.
C. T. T.
T.
Tiger.
Tiger.
Letter T, which one?
And the T. Ini.
Tiger. Next. Next.
Monkey.
Monkey starts with letter
Letter
M.
Monkey.
Monkey starts with letter
M.
Yeah. Yeah. M. Monkey. Next.
Bird.
Bear starts with letter
Letter
B.
B. Bear.
Bear. Starts with letter
B.
B. Yeah. Good job. Starts with letter.
This no.
Hmm?
This no.
What do you mean now?
In the jungle, no can. At the jungle, there's no kangaroo.
Okay, so where do they live? At the zoo?
No, at forest too.
At forest. What animal is this?
Kangaroo.
Starts with letter?
This no too.
Starts with letter?
The letter. This one.
Yeah, starts with letter
Letter
Z.
Zebra.
Alright. I think we're almost done. What is this guy? Hops. This one?
Run.
Walks.
Walk.
This one?
Run.
Runs. This one? Slithers.
Slithers.
So, which animal hops, guy? Yeah, which animal hops?
Yams.
What is this?
Walk. Walk.
Which animal walk? What is this? Runs. If tiger doesn't run, the food will go away. So he needs to run. This is slithers. Okay, that's it for the stickers. And then you need to write big O, small O.
This is so quiet, right? This is my name, Daddy. This is my name.
How come this is your name?
Yeah.
Yeah, big O, small O.
This is my stretch. Big O.
Big O.
Big O. Big.
Okay, small O. Okay. Waduh, that's an O.
That's a 7.
Ah,
7.
tidur O.
Huh?
There you go. Good job. A very small O, kan? Good job. Now, fill the letter O to complete the words and color the pictures that begin with letter O. So we have 3 animals, kan, that starts with letter O. Can you tell me what animal? No, this one.
Octopus.
And then?
What is our
Yep.
flamingo?
Ostrich.
Ostrich.
You met ostrich before. So give O, O, O.
Oh.
Yeah.
Big O. Big O.
Okay, I'll give you brown color for the owl, octopus, and ostrich. Okay, I'll tell you the sentence. The owl,
The owl,
the octopus,
the octopus,
and ostrich
and ostrich
love to watch cartoons.
like to watch cartoon.
Like you.
Yeah.
Owl,
Owl,
octopus,
octopus,
and ostrich
and ostrich
love to watch cartoons.
love to watch cartoon. The owl and octopus and the
Ostrich.
ostrich like to watch movie.
Yeah, cartoons. Okay, let's review.
Jadi I want to tell the fish.
Okay.
Angelfish, dolphin, seahorse, octopus, cheetah, crab. I don't know this fish. Daddy. What this fish?
You can name him Nemo.
Nemo.
Yeah. Okay.
Dangerous fish.
Dangerous fish. Let's revise chapter 5. Sheep.
Pig. Cow. Hen. Duck. Horse.
Okay. Now if Daddy do this, can you write?
Yeah.
What? go. What is this?
Sheep.
Yeah.
Pig.
Yeah.
Hen.
Yeah.
Cow.
Yeah.
Horse.
Yeah.
Duck.
Woo! Celebration. Yes. Yes.
Celebration.
Oi. What are you doing? Here. Not yet.
What?
What is this?
Hat.
This one?
Tin.
Good job. This one.
Giraffe.
This one.
Tiger.
This one.
Monkey.
This one.
Lion.
No.
Bear. Kangaroo. Zebra.
Wow. Okay. This one.
Kangaroo.
Yeah. This one.
Hops. Walking. Lion.
Sleigh.
Shipping.
Slitters.
Sisters.
Slitters like this guy. And then Kyrie learns about big O and small O. And then
The owl and the octopus and the ostrich lost to watch what? Cartoon.
again. O.
Owl, octopus, and the ostrich lost to watch cartoon.
Yeah, that's it for today. See you next time. Bye bye. Woo!
Jangan lupa subscribe ya.
Thanks for watching.